morning. I'm so glad you're here at Indian Lake today. I want to invite you to take the communication card that's in your bulletin, fill that out. It's a chance for you to give prayer requests, and we need current emails and addresses as we are combining our new database. Wednesday, we have a very, very important meeting. I want every one of you who's a member of the church at Indian Lake to come at 6:30 because we want to propose some bylaws to you. A copy of this bylaw is available at the Communication Center. Make sure one per family, get one of these today, read them. You're free to ask me or any of our leadership board any questions or concerns you may have, but we want you to be here this Wednesday for this crucial meeting.
Hi, I'm Deanna Powell. I'm the Children's Director, and we are having a Parents' Night Out on Friday the 29th from 6 to 10 p.m. It's $15 for one child, $20 for two, or $25 for three from the same family. You can sign up at Mission Control. There is a sign-up sheet, and also payment is due by Wednesday night, the 27th. So if you can find me or find my husband Kenny, we'll take care of you.
Hey, we're going to launch a new ministry called Dinner for Six. This is for people 50 years and older, and what we're going to do is have you sign up at the Communication Center, and we're going to pair everybody up to have dinner and spend a little bit of time with your fellow church members. This is an exciting opportunity, so get involved.
On the first 3 Thursdays of March, we're going to have a marriage enrichment class right here in the sanctuary. I'll be showing a video from Pastor Jimmy Evans, and at the conclusion of that video, we'll have time to debrief together. If you need childcare, make sure to sign up in advance. We want to provide childcare for you. If you want to have a great marriage, you need to invest in it. This opportunity is for you.
Hey everybody, this week starting on Wednesday nights we're going to have children's choir for the elementary students and the 5-year-olds. This will be getting us ready for the Easter program. The kids will do a couple of songs. This will be a great time for your kids to get ready for Easter. Please come at 6:30, be on time, and Beth Allison will be leading and your kids will learn a lot of great stuff. Thanks.
Hey, April 11th and 12th, we have the opportunity to attend an event entitled Acquire the Fire. This is going to be an exciting opportunity for young people to get more passion when it comes to their faith and their walk with God. The cost is $60. We need that money March 7th. If you need more information, see me or you can see Pastor Mike, and we will get you taken care of. So come and be a part of this great youth event.